Now I'm going to discuss about exponential equation. Exponential equation. In previous class, I told you the meaning of exponent. Exponent means what? Power. So exponential equation means what? An equation in which variable occurs as power. You know that variables are generally denoted by x, y and z, and constants are denoted by a, b and c. So an equation in which variable occurs as power is called exponential equation. For an example, 2 to the power x equals to 8. In this equation, variable x occurs as power, so this is exponential equation. Similarly, you can take another example also. 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 27. In this equation also, variable occurs as power, so such equation is called exponential equation. Exponent means power. So what do you mean by exponential equation? An equation in which variable occurs as power is called exponential equation. Now question is, we have to solve exponential equation. Solve exponential equation means if there is x, we have to find the value of x. If there is y, we have to find the value of y. Similarly, if there is z, then we have to find the value of z. Solve means we have to find the value of unknown quantity. So how can you solve exponential equation? Look here. To solve exponential equation, main concept is if a to the power x equals to a to the power y, then we can write x equals to y. This means, what is the base on left hand side? Base on left hand side is a. Base on right hand side is also what? A. The base of both the sides are same. And when the base of both the sides are same, power will be equal. Conversely, if a to the power x, if a to the power x equals to b to the power x, then we can write a equals to b. Means, if the power of both the sides are equal, then base will be also equal. So, what is the main concept to solve exponential equation? When the base of both the sides are same, power will be equal. Or, if the power of both the sides are same, base will be equal. So, to solve an exponential equation, the main point is try to make the base of both the sides same. Why? Because when the base of both the sides will be same, power will be equal. For an example, if you have to solve this exponential equation, then 2 to the power x as it is, because 2 cannot be expressed in terms of lowest base. But what is the lowest base for 8? Lowest base for 8 is 2, and 8 can be written as 2 cube, because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now the base of both the sides are same, and you know that when the base of both the sides are same, power will be equal, that is x equals to 3. Similarly, if you have to solve this exponential equation, here also try to make the base of both the sides same. So 3 is the lowest base, so 3 as it is. And what is the lowest base for 27? Correct, 3 cube. Because 27 can be written as 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Now again, the base of both the sides are equal, same, so power will be equal. So what can you write? X plus 1 equals to 3. This will give you x equals to, when I send 1 on the right hand side, it becomes 3 minus 1, which is 2. So x equals to 2. So the main concept to solve exponential equation is try to reduce both the sides to the lowest base, so that we can make the base of both the sides same. And when the base of both the sides are same, power will be equal. We move to first number question. First number question is 3 to the power x minus 1 equals to 27. 3 to the power x minus 1 equals to 27. Reduce both the sides to the lowest base. 3 cannot be reduced to the lowest base because 3 is already the lowest base. And what is the lowest base for 27? Yes, correct, 3. So 27 can be written as 3 cube. Now check, the base of both the sides are same, so power will be equal, x minus 1 equals to 3. This will give you x equals to, when minus goes on right hand side, minus 1 goes on right hand side, it becomes plus 1. So 3 plus 1, which is 4. 3 plus 1, which is 4. Now, you can check also your answer, whether your answer is correct or incorrect. To check the answer, put the value of x in original equation. Put the value of x in original equation. So, x equals to, you have got 4. So, 3 to the power 4 minus 1 equals to 27. 3 to the power 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 3 equals to 27. 3 cube. 3 cube means how much? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So 27 equals to 27. True. It means our value satisfies the original equation, means our original equation is, our solution is correct. Checking is not compulsory. Just to know whether your answer is correct or not, you can check. Similarly, move to 2-number question. 2-number question is 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to square root of 2 to the power x. The main technique is reduce both the sides to the lowest base. 2 is already the lowest base, so as it is. A square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2, because if nothing order is here, then how much order is here? 2. And if nothing power is here, then how much power is here? 1. And when we remove the root sign, that is radical sign, then order divides the power, so 1 by 2. And this whole to the power x same. Or 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to, if there is double power, then power is multiplied. 2 to the power 1 by 2 into x, so 1 into x, x by 2. Now check, the base of both the sides are same. When base of both the sides are same, power will be equal. So what can you write? X minus 1 equals to x by 2. We have to find the value of x. So write the terms containing x on left hand side and remaining on right hand side. So what can you write? Or firstly do the cross multiply. 2x minus 2, 2 ones are 2, equals to x. Now bring the term containing x on left hand side. So 2x minus x equals to minus 2 goes on right side plus 2. 2x minus x is x equals to 2. What is 3-number question? Here 2 to the power x plus 3, 2 to the power x plus 3 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equals to 80. From here, we have to find the value of x, and we have discussed that to find the value of x, we have to make the base of both the sides same. But before to make the base of both the sides same, firstly reduce both the sides to the single term, then only make the base of both the sides same. So how can you make it single term? 2 to the power x plus 3 can be written as 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 3. Plus 2 to the power x plus 1 can be written as 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 1 equals to 80. 2 to the power x is common. What is left? 2 cube plus 2 to the power 1, which means 2, equals to 80. 2 to the power x as it is. 2 cube means 8 plus 2 equals to 80. Look here. Or 2 to the power x, 8 plus 2, 10 equals to 80. Or 2 to the power x equals to, when 10 goes on right hand side, it divides the right hand side. So 80 divided by 10 is 8. Now check here, both the sides have single term. And when both the sides have single term, then make the base of both the sides same. That is, reduce both the sides to the lowest base. 2 is already the lowest base, so 2 to the power x same. And 8 can be written as 2 cube. Now the base of both the sides are same, so power will be equal. That is x equals to 3. Got it? Question number 4 is 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 6. Before to express both the sides to the lowest base, firstly we have to make single term on both the sides. For that, 2 to the power x same. 2 to the power x minus 2 can be written as 2 to the power x upon 2a square. Why? Because upon means divide, and in division when bases are same, power is subtracted. This is 6. 2 to the power x is common. What is left here? 1 minus 1 by 2a square means 4. 6. Or 2 to the power x. 4 is common. What is left? 4 minus 1, which is 3. By cross multiplication, 2 to the power x equals to, this 4 will go in numerator and 3 will come in denominator. 3 to the 6. Or 2 to the power x equals to 2 4 the 8, which can be written as 2 cube. Now check, the base of both the sides are same. And when the base of both the sides are same, power will be equal. That is x equals to 3. Move to the next question, which is 5 number. 5 number question is, a student, 2 to the power x minus 3. 2 to the power x minus 3 into 3 to the power x minus 4 equals to 3 to the power minus 1. How can you find the value of x from here? Look here. Or 2 to the power x minus 3 can be written as 2 to the power x upon 2 to the power 3. Why? Because upon means divide, and in division when bases are same, power is subtracted, 2 to the power x minus 3. Similarly, this can be written as 3 to the power x upon 3 to the power 4. Here also same base. Upon means divide. In division when bases are same, power is subtracted. This is as it is. Since we have to find the value of x, so we write the terms containing x on left hand side, and the remaining terms I'm going to send on right hand side by cross multiplication. So 2 to the power x into 3 to the power x same. By cross multiplication, this becomes 2 cube into 3 to the power 4, and this 3 to the power 1 as it is. Look here, these two have same power. So what can we write? 2 into 3 whole to the power x. Similarly, this 2 cube same. Now look here, these two have same base. In middle we have multiplication sign. So in multiplication when bases are same, power is added. So this becomes 3 to the power 4 plus minus 1, which is minus 1. And 4 minus 1 is 3. That's why I have directly written 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 to the power x. Here both have same power. So we can write 2 into 3 whole to the power 3. Look here. Or 6 to the power x. 2 3 is 6 to the power 3. Both have same base. In middle, both sides have same base. So when bases are same, power will be equal. So what can we write? X equals to 3. Now move to the next question, which is 6 number. This question is also very important. 2 to the power 3x minus 5. 2 to the power 3x minus 5 into a to the power x minus 2 equals to 2 to the power x minus 2 into a to the power 1 minus x. We have to solve this. Means from here we have to find the value of x. So how can we write? 2 to the power 3x minus 5 can be written as 2 to the power 3x upon 2 to the power 5. Why? Because upon means divide, and in division when bases are same, power is subtracted. Similarly, a to the power x minus 2 can be written as a to the power x upon a square. Similarly, what can you write? 2 to the power x minus 2 can be written as 2 to the power x upon 2a square. And what can you write here? A to the power 1 upon a to the power x. We have to find the value of x. So write the terms containing x on left hand side and remaining on the right hand side. So 2 to the power 3x, a to the power x, terms containing x on left hand side. When this 2 to the power x comes on left hand side, then it divides left hand side. And this a to the power x will go in numerator by cross multiplication. So we have written terms containing x on left hand side and remaining on right hand side. So 2 to the power 5 will go in numerator by cross multiplication. Similarly, a square will also go in numerator. Yes. Now, what is left on right hand side? A to the power 1. And in denominator, what is left? 2a square. So what we have done in this step? We have written the terms containing x on left hand side by cross multiplication and remaining terms on right hand side by cross multiplication. Look here now, these two have same base, upon means divide. So in division, when bases are same, power is subtracted. So this becomes 2 to the power 3x minus x. These two have same base, in middle multiplication sign, so power will be added, a to the power x plus x. Similarly, on the right hand side, check here, these two have same base, upon means divide. In division, when bases are same, power is subtracted, 2 to the power 5 minus 2. And this becomes a to the power, same base, multiplication sign, so power will be added. This becomes 3x minus x, 2x. X plus x, also 2x, 5 minus 2, 3, and 2 plus 1 also 3. These two have same power, so what can we write? If both have same power, then we can write 2a whole to the power 2x. These two have also same power, so what can we write? 2a whole to the power 3. Now both have same base. Check here, base of both the sides are same. And when the base of both the sides are same, power will be equal. So what can you write? 2x equals to 3 means x equals to, how much you will get? 3 upon 2. X equals to 3 upon 2. 3 to the power x plus 3. 3 to the power x plus 3 plus 1 upon 3 to the power x minus 28 equals to 0. This is our equation and we have to solve this equation. Means from this equation we have to find the value of x. And this is very important long question. So please look here carefully. 3 to the power x plus 3 can be written as 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 3. Because in multiplication, when bases are same, power will be added. This 1 upon 3 to the power x as it is, and minus 28 I am going to send on right hand side, then it becomes plus 28. To make our calculation easier and shorter, I am going to suppose 3 to the power x as a. When I suppose 3 to the power x as a, then this becomes a, and 3 cube means 27. So 27 times a plus 1 upon 3 to the power x means we have supposed a equals to 28. Now, nothing in the denominator of 27a means 1. So take the LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and a? A. So 1 is a. So this 27a should be multiplied by a. 27a square plus a ones are a. So 1 ones are 1 equals to 28. Now nothing is in the denominator of 28 means 1. Cross multiply. 27a square ones are 27a square plus 1 ones are 1. A into 28 becomes 28a. Now bring all the terms on left hand side and arrange it in descending power. Descending power means from higher power of a to the lower power of a. Then this becomes 27a square minus 28a plus 1 equals to 0. Now factorize this by using sum and product rule or middle term breaking. 27 ones are 27. Find two factors of 27. Show that either their sum or difference is 28. So what can you write? 27a square minus 27 plus 1, 28. So 27 plus 1a plus 1 equals to 0. 27a square minus 27a minus plus minus a plus 1 equals to 0. Now look here. What is common between first two terms? 27a. So 27a we are taking common. Then what is left here? A minus 1. A minus 1. Similarly, in last two terms, nothing is common means 1 is common. And since we have here minus sign, so we take minus 1 common. Minus 1 common. A minus 1 equals to 0. If we take minus common, then this plus becomes minus. Or a minus 1 is common. What is left? 27a minus 1. 27a minus 1 equals to 0. And you know that when the product of two factors is equals to 0, so a we have supposed, just to make our calculation easier and shorter, now we have factorized it. So as we have factorized it, so now we need to replace the value of a. So write replacing the value of a, we get. So instead of a, what can you write? 3 to the power x. So write 3 to the power x minus 1. 27 as it is. Instead of a, 3 to the power x minus 1 equals to 0. And when the product of two factor is equals to 0, then either first factor is 0 or second factor is 0. So either 3 to the power x minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 1. Or second factor equals to 0. That is 27 times 3 to the power x minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 2. And from both equation, we need to find the value of x. So from 1, 3 to the power x equals to, what can we write? Minus 1 goes on right hand side plus 1. We have to make the base of both the sides same. So on left hand side we have 3 base. So how can you make 3 base on the right hand side? Correct. 3 to the power 0. Because anything to the power 0 equals to 1 except 0. Now the base of both the sides are same. So power will be equal, that is x equals to 0 is one solution. Also from 2, from 2 what can we write? 27 times 3 to the power x. And when this minus 1 goes on the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. Or 27 or 3 to the power x equals to 27 goes on the right hand side, it becomes 1 upon 27. Or 3 to the power x equals to, what is the lowest base for 27? Correct, 3. And 27 can be written as 3 cube because 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Or 3 to the power x equals to, when this 3 to the power 3 will go in numerator, then this becomes 3 to the power minus 3. Because we know that the sign of power will be changed when we write numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. Now both sides have same base. So when the base of both the sides are same, power will be equal, that is x equals to minus 3. So we have got two values of x. One value of x is 0 and other value of x is minus 3. So at last what we write? Thus x equals to 0, minus 3.